Ace, deploy canine shield.
What is a canine?
Evade! Excellent shielding. That seemed incredibly painful. You're up, pig.
Okay, PB, think big!
Squirrel, light him up.
No. I can't.
Of course you can. I mean, what's the worst that could happen?
I could hurt someone. Or they could hurt me. Or maybe me freezing like this is the worst thing.
Turtle, use your speed and get them. You guys are terrible superheroes.